In the last several years, UAS operations within the agricultural industry have really taken off, so to speak. The reason for that is several different reasons. Number one, the FAA's regulations have kind of opened up the floodgates, so to speak, for those particular operations, but also the technology has really improved. Things such as aerial applicating with drones have become popular really since 2022. Now, these drones are used for crop spraying because they have found those operations are much more efficient than perhaps ground rigs or other aerial application methods. They can produce a result without producing the same amount of drift that other conventional methods may incur. They can also operate at a fraction of the cost. Normally, these systems run between $30,000 and $80,000 for both foreign manufactured aircraft as well as American made aircraft. Now, aerial applicating with the drone is not the only use of an aircraft or a drone within the agricultural industry. There are other options out there that drone operators can fly and do. Things such as terrace design, maybe crop surveying and damage assessment, maybe after a hailstorm, and also things such as normalized digital vegetation index, which allows a farmer to see just how healthy their crop is. Something that maybe we cannot see with our visible eye. A drone can fly over that crop within a matter of minutes and produce valuable information for the farmer.